friends, I am Charanasree Nagini from class 60. During this lockdown period, I have developed an interest for cooking. Today, I am going to make cabbage Manchuria. The required ingredients are as follows. Cabbage half chopped. Carrot 1 grated. Ginger garlic paste. Corn flour 1 bowl. Red chilli powder. Salt. Now take the cabbage pieces which are chopped. Take the carrot. Mix it thoroughly. Now of corn flour. Mix it without adding water. Thoroughly. Now add some ginger garlic paste. Then add some salt. And then add some red chilli powder. Now mix it thoroughly after adding the red chilli powder. Add more corn flour. After adding the corn flour,